Carburation motors. Some organs of the piston engine are common to every kind of internal combustion engine, and they consist of the following parts. We can define as main organs of piston, carburation piston, cylinder or cylinder head, the so-called stantufo, which is also translated with a piston, the connecting rod, the crankshaft, so-called albero manovella or albero motore, the flying wheel, the motor flying wheel, the basement motor. Then we have the distribution system of the carbureted mixture of fuel and air into the cylinder, which comprehends the valves, the intake and the exhaust valves, the rocker arms, the command rocker arms of the valves, the rods of the rockers, and the tappets, which are called in Italian punterie, and the distribution shaft or eccentric shaft. So we have the carburetor with the air filter, and finally the ignition system, which comprehends the battery, the rocket, the distributor, and the sparking. The pistons are located in the engine block, one piston for every cylinder. The piston is a cylindrical metal plug that moves up and down in a cylinder bore. The piston forms the lower portion of the combustion chamber and receives power from the burning air-fuel mixture. The operation of a piston is very simple. After the air-fuel mixture enters the combustion chamber, it is ignited. The burning fuel causes the gases to expand, greatly increasing the pressure within the combustion chamber. This pressure pushes against the top of the piston, sending it down into the cylinder. The downward motion of the piston is the mechanical force that is used to perform work. We can also give some tracts about the piston rings, which in Italy are called fasce del pistone. Piston rings are round, split metal rings that are the contact surfaces between the piston and the cylinder wall. The rings, usually 3 per piston, are placed in grooves on the piston and must perform 3 crucial functions. They are to seal the lower portion of the combustion chamber to increase compression, to scrape excess oil from the cylinder wall, to transfer heat from the piston to the cylinder wall, while the connecting rods are used to transmit the pressure applied from the piston to the crankshaft. The rod must be very strong. It has to withstand the tremendous force that is generated